Video is going to be on how to pull the top off. So you take the screws off the bottom here. Should be 3 screws on most of these. Pull the whole top off. Undo your cap. Gonna come up here. Snap these. There's one over here. Then you'll leave one loose. And you'll fold your cage back like that. Pull these rods out on your handles and lift your top. Hang it in here like that. Then you'll get in here and clean your burner. So your burner will have grime in some spots on it, so you'll have to rub it off. Clean any of that. Wipe it down. And gonna have to wipe all this out in here, and all this dust particles, and then just put it back together. That's how you clean one of these. Pretty simple, easy to do.